All right, I think we all have heard or maybe made fun of like earning thousands of dollars by simply clicking on a picture of a hamster. Sounds unbelievable and maybe even silly, but yeah, that's precisely what's happening in the world of Hamster Combat, a banking game that has taken the crypto community just by storm, and not only crypto, but the whole world, I believe, as of now. There are over like 42, maybe 45 million active players, and it is the world's largest Telegram channel right now. And there are almost like 8 and maybe 9 million YouTube subscribers as of now. So Hamster Combat right now, it's not just a game, not just a game, it is a phenomenon actually. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, this video is for you because we are going to explore how you can maximize your earnings in Hamster Combat, what it is, and basically understand the process of like cashing out your coins, if it's possible or not, and strategize to make like the most of this crypto sensation. Okay, so Hamster Combat isn't just a typical game. It's not brand new. It's something of a blend of gaming and cryptocurrency that allows players to earn real money by engaging in simple in-game activities. Well, potentially. The premise is straightforward. Just click on a hamster, earn coins, and upgrade your mining skills to generate passive income. The game rewards your engagement with coins that can potentially be converted into real money. However, there is one big thing, and it is a massive player base and high-profile endorsements. This is a clear way why Hamster Combat has captivated so many minds. The game's simplicity and the promise of earning real money makes it like incredibly attractive. But what really sets it apart is the potential for these in-game coins to appreciate in value, offering players not just like immediate rewards, but also a long-term investment options. Okay, so how to earn coins? Basically, you click on the hamster, then earn coins and use these coins to upgrade your mining skills. I think this is actually the gist of the game. So the more you upgrade, the higher your passive income, and yeah, earning coins becomes easier, and every hour you get like some fixed sum without lifting a finger. This passive income is actually the core of the game, and maximizing it is the key to your success. That is why Hamster Combat doesn't call the game a clicker. It calls it like a simulation of a exchange. Okay, now let's talk about the most crucial part, so how to withdraw your earnings. As of today, you can only convert your coins to cash once the project is listed on an exchange. So yeah, that's the truth. However, preparing in advance is actually an essential way to like avoid the inevitable rush and system overloads that can occur, during the listings, because there is huge demand expected. So here is a step-by-step guide to ensure you are ready. First step, you might want to register on BingX exchange. Since the project was supported by BingX from the start, the listing will likely happen in there. So just follow the link in the description to register and complete the verification process. It's just without the verification, you might not be able to sell your coins. Next, just before the listing, transfer your earned coins to the exchange. However, you just need to wait because detailed instructions will be provided at the time of listing only, so just stay tuned to the official channels for updates. Once the listing is live, you can freely sell your coins on the exchange that you've tapped so many times, so just keep an eye on the market and decide what the best time to sell. Okay, so one of the critical strategies in maximizing your earnings is knowing when to sell your coins, obviously. Again, while the exact listing date isn't confirmed yet, it is expected to be, quite soon due to the limitations of Telegram's infrastructure. So how surprising is that? It's just a delay in listing could lead to system overloads and dissatisfaction overall among the community, which the developers are keen to avoid. However, it is important not to rush to sell all your coins just immediately, because for many, the listing is just the beginning of the journey. So maybe holding onto some coins could eventually yield even higher returns as the project gains more traction and the coin value potentially increases. But who knows, only the time will tell. So yeah, let's just stay tuned. So again, Hamster Combat is actually more than just a game, maybe a growing phenomenon, because It is a revolutionary way to earn money through just engaging gameplay just by tapping, and of course, smart investments. So by allowing these steps that we outline in the video, you can definitely maximize your earnings or prepare for the listing and make informed decisions about when to cash out. So stay updated and be ready to act when the listing goes live.